If your client has already completed and returned a data capture form, you can either send back the most recent form when it's time for a review, for example, or go in and change or enter some fields yourself. Sending a pre-populated form can be really useful, as your client will only have to change or re-enter info if they need to, rather than having to redo the entire form. It's also a great way to provide a more personal service, as it allows you to go in and add some basic info that you already know about the client. So, to pre-populate a form, click the Client Onboarding Tools and then go to the Data Capture Forms. Any forms which you pre-populate yourself or that the client has returned will appear here. So if we click Send, this is the form which will be sent to the client with data already pre-populated. But let's put in some additional info ourselves by clicking Pre-populate. You can choose whether to use a basic data capture form or a full fact find, which are both APTA compliant, and click Create Form. There's a bit more information here, so feel free to pause the video to give it a read if you'd like to, and then let's continue to the form. You're now in the Advisor Preview mode of the data capture forms, where you can enter any details that you already know about them. For example, if you know their address or occupation, then you can pop it in before sending it to your client, providing a more personal service. Then click Finish and Review when you're finished, and then Save. As you can see, the form appears here with the new data that we've just entered. So we can now send this version of the form to the client by clicking Send and following the step-by-step process.